Hi, welcome to our next episode of Call GMS. I'm Guy Schwartz.
I'm Monica Jelly.
I'm Stacy Schwartz.
I'm Christopher Zuthan.
Chris is our post-production, pre-production, production, video guru. Chris, thank you very much for getting these web
Thank you.
videos on the web for us. All right, do you guys have anything you want to say before we get into it?
No, that's fine.
All right, thank
See you later.
See you later. All right. Okay, so last episode we talked about what's your rate, and I talked about, all the questions I need to ask you in order to tell you what your rate is. And the reason I have to ask you all those questions is because a riskier loan has more reward. Lower credit score, higher cost. So we had a guy that came in the other day, and he worked at a credit union. And he came in and said, "We don't have PMI." And I said, "Oh, okay. What's the rate on a 90? So he said, 4 3/4 with no points. I said, "Well, what's the rate on an 80? And he said, "Oh, it's 4 3/8 with no points." And I said, "Well, what do you mean? You just told me you don't have MI. Why, if you don't have mortgage insurance, why is the rate higher?" "Well, we don't have to go to the PMI company." And I said, "Well, just because you don't have to go to the PMI company to get mortgage insurance doesn't mean you don't have mortgage insurance, because if you didn't have mortgage insurance, the rate would be the same on the 80, 90, 95, or 97, or whatever." So I think it was just bizarre the way some people will give you half-truths with respect to, "Oh, we don't have PMI." Well, they're either self-insuring or they're doing what's known as lender-paid mortgage insurance. So the moral of the story is, be careful when somebody tells you that they don't have PMI on their loan, that you ask them that question that I asked this guy. Well, what's the rate on a 90 and what's the rate on an 80? And if the rate is different, they have mortgage insurance. Whether they're self-insured or they're doing lender-paid mortgage insurance, it's built in, which sometimes it's advantageous and sometimes it's not. But I just think that the misstatement or the half-truth is the big issue, where they're telling you that they don't have it and it's there. Okay, Kirk out. Call us. We're here for you.